In the heart of the 1960s, a revolution was brewing in the world of art. Art enthusiasts and critics alike were growing weary of the extravagant, complex, and often controversial works that dominated the art scene. Yearning for a fresh, new perspective, a group of artists gathered in New York City, united in their quest for simplicity. Among them was a young artist named Frank Stella, who would go on to become one of the pioneers of the Minimalist Art Movement. Stella, along with artists like Donald Judd, Flavin, and Robert Morris, sought to challenge the status quo by stripping down art to its essentials, focusing on pure form and function. Their works were a stark contrast to the ornate, intricate pieces that had come before. Gone were the vibrant colors, the intricate patterns, and the elaborate narratives. Instead, these artists chose to work with simple shapes, primary colors, and a limited color palette. They believed that by stripping away the unnecessary, they could allow the viewer's imagination to fill in the gaps, creating a more meaningful and personal experience. The minimalist art movement was not without its critics. Some felt that these works lacked emotion, that they were cold and uninviting. But to their supporters, the minimalist artists were pushing the boundaries of what art could be, and challenging traditional ideas about beauty and aesthetics. The period that birthed minimalism was one of social and political turmoil. The Vietnam War, the Civil Rights Movement, and the counterculture revolution were all shaping the cultural landscape of the time. In this turbulent era, minimalism stood out as a beacon of simplicity and calm, a testament to the power of less. As the 1960s came to a close, minimalism began to gain traction. Museums and galleries started to take notice, and the works of the minimalist artists began to sell for high prices. The movement continued to evolve and influence other art movements, cementing its place in the annals of art history. Today, minimalism remains a powerful force in the world of art. Its influences can be seen in contemporary art, architecture, and design. And while the movement may have started as a quiet revolution, its impact continues to resonate, reminding us that sometimes less truly is more.